Rise and shine, it's quiz time. Last week, y'all liked that Coca-Cola cake. I'm going back to what I like to do. They already Coca-Cola cake. As you can see here, I just took some chicken. I butterflied it up real nice. First, we're gonna work on the sauce. What we're gonna do is we put a can of Coca-Cola. I saw that open 2-liter. Put that in there. Then we're gonna take a cup of ketchup. Basically 12 ounces of Coca-Cola, cup of ketchup. Trying to get every little bit out of there I can. And then we do 1 or 2 Worcestershire sauce, or however you want to say it. Probably ain't saying it right. I don't know if anybody does. And then the last bit on the sauce is 2 or 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna put 3 in there. And then what we're just gonna do is mix this around. Don't need anything fancy here. Need to get it all mixed up. You can see, I imagine this is going to turn out kind of like a barbecue sauce or something. Just go mix that around. I'll put that aside for just 1 second. So I got my bowl here. What I'm going to do is, I got my baking dish, I guess you could say, is I'm going to put the chicken in here. Now I got the chicken in here. After I get the chicken in there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spice this with some onion and garlic. Because I put cayenne pepper on everything. Put those in there. Mix the sauce up a little bit more. We're going to put that sauce in there. And then now all we're going to do is we're going to take this. I have a 350-degree oven ready to go. And we're going to take this, we're going to put it in there and check on in about 45 minutes to an hour. I got me a bowl of Coca-Cola chicken. I had mine with rice. As you can see here. That's so good. You can have this for dinner. You can have the Coca-Cola cake for dessert. I always appreciate everybody watching. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. If you have a favorite Coca-Cola recipe, go ahead and drop in the comments down below.